Hello and welcome to our channel Cooking Pass. Today we will share with you a very old and traditional Bengali recipe, Rosh Bora. This can be made with basic ingredients where fried lentil fritters are soaked in jaggery syrup. Let's start making it. We will need soaked bulid dal. Here we have taken 250 grams of bulid dal. Now we will make it into a smooth paste with a mixer grinder. Our paste is ready. Its consistency will be like this. We have grind it into a smooth paste with the help of little water. Now we will make the sugar syrup. Sugar and jaggery both we will use. For this we will boil some water in a big vessel or in handi, and we have already added 750 grams of sugar into this, and also we will add some jaggery into this. Here we are using Nolin gur. Add sugar and jaggery as per your taste, and we will boil it until thick consistency. When it starts thicken and sticky, switch off the gas and keep it aside. Now heat some refined oil in a karai to deep fry the bora or the lentil fritters. Now you need to whisk the paste of bulid dal. We have added a pinch of salt into this and we will whisk it very well. You need to whisk it well till it becomes light and fluffy. Now it is almost done and ready to be fried. Our oil is also done. Now take out some portion and release it into the oil and fry it till nice golden in color and very crisp in texture. Take out small portions and release it into the hot oil and fry the varas. Fry varas in batches in medium flame. You need to whisk the batter well so that the vara will turn out nice and crisp and fluffy in texture. Also, it will turn out in very beautiful golden in color. Now our vara is ready. You can see it has turned into beautiful golden in color. We will take it out from the hot oil and it will straight goes to the sugar and jaggery syrup. Let the varas soaked into the syrup for some time so that the vara will absorb the syrup slowly inside it and it will becomes very juicy. In the meantime, let's fry another batches of vara as per your requirement. Follow the same process and fry all varas as you want. Soaked all varas into the syrup for a while until it becomes very nice and soft in texture. Soaked the vara into the syrup for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, Rosh Bora is ready. Enjoy this with your friends and family. Please do try it at home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such new and traditional recipes every week. Thank you for watching.